Hi guys, today we got an iPhone 5, won't turn off or charging, just stuck on something blue. I will press the power button. As you can see, there is a blue something light up, but I can't do anything or home button or anything. I can just get this voice over assistive touch and that's it. If you put the device on charging, also there is no sound, just like dead. Nothing is doing this device. There is a circle, just see it right there. I don't know what does this mean also. So what I'm going to do is to press the home button with the power button until the device restart. If it's restart. If that doesn't work, we will open the device. Let's wait few seconds. Yeah, the device worked. Seems it's just a normal issue. It's a software bug or software error making the phone to freeze, doing nothing. These two buttons was able to restart the phone and solve the problem. If you have any questions, just write it down on the comments below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. We will do something else in the next video. See ya! Like, subscribe, enable the ring. Click subscribe in the circle. For any questions, write it below.